Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the latest Visp update. This release brings some exciting improvements, especially for regulatory reporting and quote management, along with some key bug fixes. Let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about reporting. The FCC report category has been renamed to Regulatory Report, which is a more accurate reflection of its contents. Even better, we've added a brand new report under this category, the Calix Report. This is a game changer for those of you using Calix devices. This report is a configuration file that you can directly upload to your Calix routers to provision equipment on your fiber network. This streamlines the process and makes network management much more efficient. Next up, we've made some improvements to the subscribers table. You can now select Archived as the only status in the table. This gives you greater control over how you view and manage your subscriber data. Now, let's move on to some improvements to the quoting and invoicing process. We've heard your feedback, and this update addresses some key points. Previously, billable instances were generated as soon as items were added to a quote. This is no longer the case. Now, billable instances are only generated after the quote is converted to an invoice. This gives you more flexibility and control over your billing. And speaking of invoices, when converting a quote, you now have the ability to select the invoice date, bill, start date, and term start date from a prompt before proceeding. This provides greater precision and customization for your invoices. Finally, in the mass mail editor, the eye icon has been removed to prevent confusion. This simplifies the interface and makes it easier to use. Also, the status filter dropdown now stays perfectly in sync with the subscribers' table filters, ensuring a consistent and accurate view of your data. Now, let's quickly cover the bug fixes included in this release. These are important for ensuring a smooth and reliable experience. We've addressed issues with the Add Ticket button in the subscriber dock, the time zone application in the payment distribution report, the source details field in the subscriber contact form, and the auth MAC contains filter condition. We've also made it so the sync subscribers from the subscribers list table can now be triggered at 1-minute intervals, down from 10 minutes. This provides much faster and more responsive syncing. We also fixed an issue where the Add Ticket button wasn't clickable for subscribers with existing tickets. That wraps up the key updates and bug fixes for this release. We're confident these changes will improve your workflow and make your experience with Visp even better. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.